Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with Index Nifty. Index continued to trade in red zone for second consecutive trading session. On weekly scale, Index has formed red spinning top candle where we could witness shadow at top and bottom with a small body in middle. RSI is gradually tilting towards the south direction from overbought zone. On daily scale, index is trading near to the support of 20 EMA. If it fails to hold that support of 14,250 levels on closing basis, then we could witness further downside towards 14,000 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. On daily scale, Bank Nifty failed to sustain above the support of 20 EMA and it closed below it. On weekly scale, index has formed evening star pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern. It failed to surpass the horizontal resistance and continued to trade below it. RSI is showing negative crossover, which is a sign of reversal in index. Below 30,950 levels, we can expect index to move towards 30,100 levels. Let's move on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Financial Service Index. On daily scale, index has performed double top formation. Stock failed to hold the support of horizontal line. RSI is moving towards the south direction, indicating weakness in index. Index failed to sustain above the support of 20 EMA and it closed below that. Index below 15,100 levels, it may move towards 14,900 levels, and below that it may continue to move towards 14,600 levels. Let's move on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to talk about is IndusInd Bank. On daily scale, on multiple occasions, stock tried to breach the resistance but failed to do so. Stock failed to sustain above the support of 20 EMA. Negative diversion could be witnessed as price is moving towards the north direction but RSI is moving towards the south direction. Stock closed just below the rising trend line, so we expect stock to continue to move towards 800 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is DMart. On daily scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. Rise of volume on bullish candle indicating accumulation of stock. Stock has breached the resistance of 20 EMA and closed above it. RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover indicating good strength in stock. We expect stock to continue to move towards 3100, 150 levels. So that's all for this video. Hope you all have a profitable week ahead. Thank you.